Hi, welcome back to my channel. Jackie Los here, also known as Junk Gal. This is just a short video. I wanted to share with you some of my treasures that I've put out in my home for this Christmas. Here you're looking at this little shoe that I purchased in my antique shop. And I also have my bottles out. This cute little mica house that has a tree on top. I picked that up at an antique show, and I just love that. I have since passed down my mica house collection to my granddaughter, and she just loves those. Here's a flock tree with some candles going, and the stocking belonged to my husband's grandmother, and I just love that. I think that's so precious, with Santa on there. And just some more of my little treasures. You'll see my little elf on the shelf there, such a cutie pie. Little gingerbread, he's a little primitive. And of course, I love my vintage bulbs, so shiny. And these bulbs I had put in a tin pie pan, and then these bulbs I put in a crock. So look at Santa peeking out there. And there's my stove, my little kerosene stove. Here I just put out the lantern that my mother-in-law gave me. That is not antique or vintage, but I just love it. And some little glass beads. Those are from Mike's grandma as well. And of course my ceramic tree. My nativity, which I converted into concrete figurines, and this hymnal is from 1926. One of my favorites. I put this out every year. I love collecting hymnals. And there's our little Christmas tree. We live in a home that was built in the 1940s. It's only 900 square foot, so we don't have a lot of room for too much. And I put the Christmas tree in a tub, and I built a wooden base around that. One of my favorite things at Christmas is just to peek into the tree and look at these beautiful, beautiful bulbs. The reflection is just amazing. I love it. And our tree is flocked. We did purchase that tree from Target on clearance, but we love it. We for years would always get a real tree, but we have since, a few years ago, we have since gone to an artificial. There's a little moose from Mike's grandma, and I just put those in baskets. Here's my primitives. Sorry for the lighting. The primitives do not show up very much. But I do collect primitives as well. Santa there. Little snowman. So cute. And you can use anything rusty to decorate with here. Thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas.